Okay guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how I make USD3 for free with no investment. I mean with zero investment. Guys, free USD3 mining bot from Telegram. So before we proceed, if you are just coming across my video for the first time, kindly do well and subscribe, like the video, press the notification button so that anytime I drop a new video, YouTube will notify you. So guys, do not skip any part from this video. If not, if you skip any part, you may skip the important part, because this video is very important, and it's good for you to watch it from beginning to the end. So we are going to dive into our tutorial, guys. So let's go. So guys, I'm going to drop the registration link in my video description, so you will see my WhatsApp and Telegram
Incoming
link
call from Sunday and identified by Truecaller
in the video description. So guys, if you want to chat me, please chat me with the Telegram link. Just click the Telegram link to bring you to my Telegram, and you will chat me there. Please don't chat me privately on WhatsApp, because I will not reply you and I may block you. So let's drive in. I see this arrow here. Let's click on the Telegram. So guys, I'll even show you this platform is legit. I just started, so I try to withdraw so that I will see if it works, and the withdrawal gone successful. So guys, I'll even show you the proof of the withdrawal that I do. This is the platform, this is the mining bot, wealth care app, but it's not the app, it's a Telegram bot. So let's open it. Okay, as you can see, we are on it now. Let it load. Yeah, so that you will see what I'm talking about. I'm going to take you step by step tutorial on how you will earn on the platform. Yes, if you have something that you can press your phone like this, that the thing will hold it, guys, you will definitely make it. You see, for example, if you want it to farm fast, when you just see where this arrow is pointing, when you click it and hold your hand, as you can see, it will the speed that the mining will increase. If you have patience and hold it like for over an hour, it will make a massive. I will give you a secret, so you don't need to hold it like this and leave your data on. You can off the data, then come back and hold it like this while it's mining like this. A few minutes, see, accumulate very well USDT. So you can come here. Here you are seeing every day and claim your reward, claim your daily reward. I've already claimed mine. As you can see, this 8,700. If you want to boost your mining, this one you are seeing here, this world, sorry, VK, this WK is the one you will use and boost your mining speed. As you can see, rent period 30 days, profit, daily profit 14.2 no, USDT, total profit 428 USDT, quality 1. You can increase it. You can see when it's in 2 quality, that's 200. So 1 quality is 100. So you can click here. Once that one reach, then you can click on rent, but make sure this one reach the minimum amount that you can rent. So how it work, if you want, you can be coming anytime or after 2 days to come and claim it like this. When you press on this one, it will claim. As you can see, it has claimed. This one will increase. Yes, as you can see, it has claimed. This one will increase. As you can see, it has already increased by itself. So guys, that's how it works. So for you to be able to withdraw, let me show you how I withdraw. Let me show you the withdrawal proof, because I just try it and make sure the platform is working before I will show you guys. So as you can see here, this wallet, when you come on this wallet like this wallet we are seeing, when you come on this wallet, receive wallet, make sure you go to your crypto wallet and copy any of the wallet you want, any of the currency you want. You come and paste the crypto address for here. If it is BIP20 USDT or TRC20 or Dutch, anyone, you just come and paste it here. When you paste it here, once you accumulate and reach any amount you want, as you can see here, you just place on this withdraw. So when you press on this withdraw, you just put any amount. You see, if I put it on now, I'm going to withdraw it, but I don't want to withdraw it because it's not much. I want it to be much so that I withdraw it, but you can withdraw it with any amount if they didn't. So as you can see here, this is my withdrawal proof. As I just withdraw, I just say let me try it. You can see this receive wallet amount, network fee 1, I receive 0.02 USDT. Status successful. As you can see, submission time 25 May 2025 May on the 24th. That's when I make the withdrawal. They say it is estimated to take 24 to 48 hours. Inviting more friends can speed up the review process. But guys, I'm assure you that if you make a withdrawal within 5 minutes, it will not even reach 5 minutes. Within 5 minutes, your withdrawal will show successful. You go to your wallet and you will see it there sharp. That's how it works. This platform is paying massively. Many people has been earning on it. Yeah, many people have been earning on it. But if you are there, you see where you refer somebody, affiliate program, friend to join, earning money, invite friend to join the money and reward. So when you invite a friend, you earn a reward here. Click this share. You want to copy the link, you click here, you copy the link, you place. We are seeing pointing as I click it, that's in copy success. So that's how it works. It's paying massively, guys. So let me show you how you claim the reward that will be increasing this for you. If you click up like this, as you can see, all of these are the reward you all of these ones are the reward you claim. When you claim them, as you can see them like this, some are this one is share the link and get 1,000, 10,000, sorry. So this is how it works. When you accumulate, you can come here and claim. Just let's press on this work doc. When you press go, to bring you to like this join, you join it, join, then come back. Okay, come back. Now that you come back, you click on go again. Okay, you join now. Okay, it has now joined. As you can see, it has now joined. Once it has now joined, so you click on the platform, and here you can see show claim. Once it's done from where you join it to show claim, then you just press on claim. Once you just press on claim, it will appear here. Just check this 8,700 will increase. You see it has increased to 9,000. That's how it works. You see they are giving 500 week here, up to 200, 500, 200, 500, 200, 500, from 150 upward. This 1,000 boost news. So I don't if you can boost the news, it's still the same thing. That's how the platform works, guys. It's paying massively. Yeah, like don't forget about this one. When you just press your hand on this machine, yes, on this mining tools, that's how it will increase mining. Just hold your hand. When you press your hand and hold it, it will increase the mining. That's why it will mine fast, 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 so that it can accumulate well. Once you boost it, you will be mining very, very well. It can be coming after every day or after 2 days. It depends on what you want. Yes. Okay, guys. If you find this video helpful, kindly do well, smash the subscription button and smash the notification button and like the video. Smash the notification button so that anytime I drop a video, YouTube will notify you. I'm going to drop the link in my video description, Telegram channel community in my video description, WhatsApp community link in my video description. Anyone you choose. If you want to message me, use the Telegram link. That's where you can message me. Don't message me on Telegram, on WhatsApp, because you will not get me there. Yeah, that one, I'm the only one that can pause and say something, but nobody has access to it. But if you want to chat me, use the Telegram community link. So if you want more update like this, use the WhatsApp community link. So I will advise you to join both the WhatsApp and the Telegram. Anytime new video, you will get it. If you have any question, you ask me on Telegram. So yeah, that's good.